out of the audience. Okay, thank you everyone for coming to my speech today. Today's speech is going to be on the effects of stress. The effects of stress can affect us in a lot of ways. And the purpose of this speech is to inform you guys about the health risks of a stressful lifestyle, the importance of identifying those risks, and inform you of some proven ways to reduce stress. There are many different types of stress, and we encounter stress almost every day of our life. The causes of stress and how it affects us can vary from person to person, and the more we can learn about stress and begin to understand it, the better we will become at reducing stress and coping with stress. Stress can have a major impact on the body. According to lifeline.org, stress is a natural human response to pressure when faced with a challenge and sometimes dangerous situation. Although it is not proven that stress itself can cause heart disease, it can be a factor. Some causes of stress are the everyday hustle and bustle of life can be a major factor of stress. The rigorous demands of our jobs and home life, and also the factors of stress are raising kids, caring for a sick loved one, and a traumatic event can also cause stress. Now that we know what stress is and what can cause it, we can now look at some ways and it can pose health risks. According to an article in the American Psychological Association journal, it states there is an empirical evidence linking emotional process to immune function in humans. Acute stressors have produced mixed effects on immunity. Chronic stress has been associated with suppression of the immune system. Chronic stress has also been a function, and there is an evidence that the immune system may not adapt over time. Some of the main health risks are heart disease, obesity, and depression. With stress defined in a list of health risks that accompany it, we can now discuss some ways to reduce it. Stress affects every aspect of the human body. According to WebMD, men with highly stressful jobs had a systolic and diastolic blood pressure reading that were approximately 10 points higher than those with less stressful jobs. Reducing stress can be a great way to live a happy and healthy life. Some examples of non-pharmacological techniques to relieve stress are acupuncture, guided imagery, and yoga. So in conclusion, stress is an everyday part of our life. The way it affects us varies from person to person. It is important to find the perfect balance between good and bad stress, and that we can learn ways to cope with it. Thank you.